Hello all, I welcome you all to the Silk Zone. This is Divya here. Today I am going to show you the beautiful soft silk sarees, and we have a very surprise thing, that is I can tell, that is 25% off on the saree, that is which I am going to show you today. And that is, in this episode we are going to give you a grand offer of 25% discount on behalf of Women's Day, and this offer will be valid till up to 31st March. These are the soft silk jacquard border sarees. All the sarees which I will show you today are available with us. We are the manufacturers and suppliers. Also click on to our website, that is www.silkzone.in, which will take you to the website which is given in the description box, and then it will directly take to our website. Once you open the products, there will be a cart button. You can click on that and proceed with checkout. If you find any difficulties or any kinds of queries, you can reach us by the mail, WhatsApp and helpline number given in the description. You can also follow on Facebook and Instagram, which links are given in the description. Let us get started with the collection today. I will show you more and more beautiful collection of today, that is a soft silk. This is very beautiful soft silk sarees, that is which is in the very beautiful pretty gorgeous color, that is royal blue color, I can tell ocean blue also, with the borders in jacquard borders which are given in the green color. And we have a pretty beautiful pallu. People can have a deep look at it, and we have the running blouse for it, which gives you the elegant and simple look. And on behalf of the Women's Day, as I said you, we are gonna give the products in 25% off. That is, the cost of this actual saree is 1600 plus shipping, and you will have the 25% off on each saree up to 31st March. This is another beautiful pretty colored saree in the same collection. As I said you, these are soft silk sarees, which is in the color of chocolate color. The entire saree is in chocolate color, that is plain chocolate color, and these borders are jacquard border. The borders are called as jacquard border, like light golden color weaving border, I can tell you. And this is the beautiful pallu. Pallu is also very simple and elegant, very good, soft silk. Very good to wear. I have made the pleats for you, how beautifully the pleats are giving the look once you drape the saree. And you get the colored blouse, I mean the running blouse for the saree. This is so good to wear. It takes, usually the teacher professional people will consider such sarees, I can tell you. And the price of the sarees, actual price of the saree is 1600, that is 1600. On behalf of the Women's Day special, we are giving you the 25% off on the saree. This is the other pretty beautiful colored saree in soft silk, that is dark pink color, very beautiful color with a golden border. This is not zari border, just a weaving jacquard border, which gives you a very simple, beautiful, elegant look. It gives you the grand look as well, since it is in the dark pink color. You can use it for some occasions as well. Very beautiful pretty saree. And the pallu also is so good and simple. Since it is a soft silk, you can use it for the grand function as well as the very simple ethnic wear also, with the beautiful accessories. For this we have the same running blouse with a plain, which you can make it a design beautifully stitched. You will get very good look once you drape the saree and stitch the blouse. And the cost of the saree, actual price of the saree is 1600, that is 1600. On behalf of the International Women's Day, that is on March 8th, we have the offer going on, that is 25% off on this soft silk sarees up to 31st March. Hey people, this is the other beautiful pretty colored saree in a soft silk with a very beautiful jacquard border, I can tell you, jacquard border with a combination of green color, that I have made a drape, like demo drape, I can tell you. And this is very beautiful pallu with the saree, and the color of the saree is sky blue color with a border of green color, that is jacquard border. This is not the golden border, I mean zari. This is not zari border. These are pure hand waving borders, I can tell you. I have made the pleats to show you that how beautifully it looks. And we have the running blouse for this, that is in the same sky blue color with a plain, so that you can give some other design for the blouse and make it stitched. Once you drape the saree beautifully and stitch the blouse, it gives you very beautiful attractive look. And these are very beautiful sarees which are meant for, or we can tell usually that teaching professional people purchase such sarees, I can tell you. Just a suggestion I'm telling. And the cost of the actual price of the saree is 1600. On behalf of International Women's Day, that is on March 8, we are going to give the 25% off on these soft silk sarees up to 31st March. Hey people, this is the very beautiful another color saree in the soft silk, that is golden color, very grand look color. Usually gold color people like married couples or a bride would surely prefer the golden color saree, as we all know it. This is the same golden color blouse, running blouse, and the sarees, entire sarees in golden color with a golden border, that is Zucard border, I can tell you, with the waving. These are weaving borders, not the zari borders. In video or in pic, if you think this is zari border, this is not zari border for surely. This is a Zucard border, I can tell you, with the waving thing. You can just see the pleats, how beautifully it gives a look once you drape the saree. This is so good, pretty to wear, soft silk sarees, and the cost of the saree, that is actual price of the saree, is 1600. On behalf of the Women's Day, we are giving it in a 25% off. Beautiful pretty saree collections in the soft silk. The color of this saree is dark violet color, I can tell you, or grape color, I can tell you. The entire saree is in the dark grape color with a golden border. The border is of not zari. I can tell you, these are not zari border, these are Jugaad border with a golden weaving pattern. These are waving borders, and the pleats are so beautifully draped. I am just showing you as the demo drape to just tell you how beautiful it looks once you drape the saree. And pallu also, you have a very beautiful look on the pallu, very simple and good to wear, and you have little sequence on the pallu, that is, you can just give so simple pretty look. And this is very beautiful saree, and we have the running color blouse for this saree, and we have the 25% discount going on behalf of the Women's Day. Actual price of the saree is 1600, and we have 25% off on the saree. This very pretty beautiful colored pink saree in the soft silk with a golden border, that is weaving Jugaad border, not the zari border. And we have very beautiful pallu with the sequence design. Entire saree is in very beautiful pink color. We have beautifully done Jugaad border on the both side of the saree, and you can just see how beautifully the drapes are giving a look for the saree once you drape it. We have the running color blouse for the saree, which gives a very beautiful, simple, elegant look, and the actual price of the saree is 1600. On behalf of the Women's Day special, we are giving the 25% off on the saree. This is the beautiful soft silk saree in the dark red color with the golden Zakud border. Very beautiful and pretty colored saree, which gives you the more gorgeous and grand look, which is very attractive. We have the beautiful pallu designed with the sequences, very simple and elegant. And the border, we have the weaving border. These are not zari borders. Very beautiful, and we have the running blouse for this. If you want the color of the blouse to be customized as the golden, which gives the contrast with the border zari, border of golden color, not zari. These are not the zari borders, I'm telling it to you again. These are the waving borders, as you can just have a deep look at it. We have the running blouse for this, and now the actual price of the saree is 1600. On behalf of the Women's Day, we are going to give the saree in 25% off up to March 31st. Very beautiful pretty colored saree, that is chocolate colored saree with the golden border. We have very simple borders, that is, we have a bigger border in the bottom border, and in the upper border we have the beautiful bordered saree. These are jacquard borders, I can tell you, that is golden color weaving borders, and the pallu is very beautiful, simple and elegant. We have little sequence in the pallu, it gives very elegant look. And the saree, entire saree is in the chocolate brown color, I can tell you, very beautiful and pretty. The borders are giving you the very beautiful look. Once you drape the saree and stitch the blouse, it will give you 100% attractive look. and the actual price of the saree is 1600, but on behalf of the Women's Day special we are making it 25% off. Beautiful, this is one of the most gorgeous color I can tell you, that is black color. Almost all the girls, aunties, women, everybody would like this color, no? This is the most beautiful color I can tell you. A soft silk saree with jacquard border. We have very beautiful borders which is giving you the attractive look for the saree, and both the corners of the saree you have such beautiful borders. That is a simple 2-layered borders on both the corners of the sarees, and I've made the pleats to show you how attractive it looks once you drape the saree. And we have the running blouse for this also, and the pallu is also beautifully designed with simple sequences with a light golden color sequences, and you can just have a look at it. And the borders are done in the weaving. These are hand weaving borders, not the zari borders. Okay, and the price of the saree is 1600, and we have 25% off on behalf of Women's Day. The beautiful colored saree in the soft silk, the color of the saree is light purple with the grey combination borders, and the border is jacquard border, and these are 2-layered borders which is giving you very beautiful attractive look. Once you made the pleats properly, I have just draped it in a demo way, I can tell you. These are looking very beautiful, soft silk, very skin friendly, very good to wear, feeling so cool in summer collection, I can tell you. And we have the running blouse for this saree, and you can just have the look of the pallu in deep. Those are the sequences in purple color with a combination of light grey, we can tell. And the cost of the saree is 1600. We have the discount of 25% on the saree. This one of the other beautiful color in the same soft silk material with the same border design, just a difference in the color of the saree. As I said you, this is the onion color, like onion peel, first layered onion you will get, no, just like that, I can tell you. Very different color, unique color, I can tell you. See how beautifully the pleats are seen once you drape the saree so perfectly. As I've wear the saree just to show you for the demo, I can tell you it gives you beautiful look. And the pallu also made with the sequences are so good, pretty combination with the light golden color, and the borders are giving you very attractive look. You can just look at the border in the two corners of the saree. Also you have beautifully weaved border. These are not zari border, these are jacquard border with 2 layers. That is very simple and pretty, it giving you the look. And the cost of the saree is, actual price of the saree is 1600, but on behalf of Women's Day we are giving it in a 25% off all the soft silk sarees up to March 31st. Hey beautifuls, this is the one of the most royal colors in all the shades, I can tell you. That's a royal blue color. An entire saree is in royal blue color with a combination of green color border. That is the pretty simple cool borders on both the side of the borders. Saree you have the very beautiful borders, as you can see. Have a look at it. The pleats are done like this, and this is the pallu. Pallu is also in the combination of bit of sequence design and with a light green shade of borders mixed, I can tell you. And we have the running blouse for this saree. Very beautiful soft silk sarees, and the cost of this beautiful saree is just 1600. On 25% off it is gonna cost just 1200. Thank you. Hey pretty girls, this is also one of the most pretty color saree. As I say, all girls would love this color. This is the lovely color, I can tell you. The pink color with the very beautiful borders on the both the corners of the sarees. That is in a golden color, 2-layered borders. These are not zari borders, these are the waved borders. Very beautifully done. Pallu also you can see. There is a design of sequence with the color combination of gold color, and we have little very simple frinkages, as you can see it. Very beautiful saree. color, and the blouse of the saree is also in the running blouse, that is pink color, plain blouse, and the cost of the saree is just 1600. And off the offer, after the discount, that is 25 discount on behalf of the Women's Day, that is on March 8th, we have 25 off, that is on all the soft silk sarees. The material what I'm showing it to you now, these are the soft silk sarees, and you'll have the offer up to March 31st, that is the month end of the March. Gorgeous color saree. The color of the saree is reddish pink with the borders combination of golden colored borders. It is a different new look border, and the pallu is also so good. You need different design borders. These are soft silk materials. This is the body of the saree. The entire saree is plain only. The borders gives you the very beautiful attractive look for the saree. And the blouse also, you have the running blouse for the saree with the same reddish pink color. And the cost of the saree is just 1600 actual price, but we're gonna give you the 25% off on the sarees. The very beautiful gorgeous colored saree, that is black color with a combination of grey color borders. Very beautiful pretty soft silk saree. And this is the pallu of the saree, and this is the body of the entire saree. You can just have it. The cost of the saree is 1600, and you will get it in 25% off the saree. And now I will just tell you how to purchase the saree. All the sarees which you saw now are available with us in our website www.silkzone.in. To take to our entire collection, click on the link given in the description, which will directly take to our collection. Please like, share and subscribe our video. You can share this video to help your friends and relatives who are looking for these kinds of pure sarees. COD is available for all over India. If any kind of damage or defects, you can easily return within 7 days. International shipping is also available. Discount is also available for bulk purchase. To get immediate notification, click subscribe button and press the bell icon. Have an enriched shopping experience at Silk Zone. Thank you.